What is up? Welcome to this video. Welcome to another episode right here on this channel. In this video we are going to look at HTTP in Python. What exactly is HTTP in Python? HTTP, which is Hypertext Transfer Protocol, is the foundation of web communication, enabling Python applications to interact with web service. And Python provides HTTP tools through the standard http.client module and the more elegant request package. And with these tools, Python can perform essential web operations including get, post, put, delete, and patch methods for modern API integration. So we are going to look at an example and a code block for using HTTP in Python. So here is Python's request library as it simplifies HTTP interactions with its intuitive design. So you can try this out in VS Code and let us know how it went. Pause this video, take your time, type it out in Visual Studio. We won't provide a copy and paste. The best Python learning is you typing it out. So if you get opportunity, do it so you can be the best Python developer out there. So HTTP in Python enables connecting to APIs and web services, also scraping web content, building web applications. So thank you for watching this video. If you don't understand anything about this topic, do well to post it in the comment section. We'll move on to the next video in the playlist.